Hey folks, I'm going to work out the day 15 assignment in case you were stuck on anything. So the first thing I asked you to do was make a variable called text that you put the text "Go Tigers" with an exclamation point into. Then I asked you to do a while true loop. We learned that last week. You say while true and a colon, hit enter. Now we got a loop that'll go forever until we do a break. Then I asked you to print the length of the variable using the len command. So len parentheses text. That's good enough for today. And then I asked you to print it all uppercase. So that's using the upper method. Looks like that. Then I asked you to print it all lowercase. That looks like that. Then I asked you to replace text, use the replace method. We're going to replace TIG with GOPH, and that's going to print Go Gophers. I'm just going to throw a break here so we can run the program and make sure it's working. Yep, so see 10 is the length, Go Tigers all caps, all lowercase, and then Go Gophers. Okay, I'm removing that break. I just didn't want it to repeat over and over and over again. When I was testing that it was working. Now we're gonna count how many capital G's there are. So print text.count, just put a capital G there, that does that. Then I want you to center, print it centered in $50 signs. That's how you do that. The center command, and then inside the parentheses of the center command you have a 50, comma, and then a dollar sign. Dollar sign has to be in quotes. And then I asked you to ask the user if they want to run again. So R equals input run again, question mark. And I asked you to cue off of the words yes or no. Now, you don't have to make it in a variable called R. I do just because I'm thinking R for run again. And then I don't have to think about it every time I type that, I just do it that way. At the end of this, after this, we want to do an if statement. I told you to do an if statement and make sure it works with any version of the word no. Because no could be all lowercase or all uppercase, or the N could be capital and the O could be capital. So we're going to write a little bit of code here that takes care of all of that. If r.upper equal no. So see, I'm making what they entered all uppercase and then checking if it's equal to the all uppercase version of no. And if it is, then I'm going to say goodbye, have a good day, and then I'm going to break. So that's how we get out of the program. But then I said if they don't leave, I want you to double how long the variable is. I want you to change the variable into being itself twice. So you would say text equals text plus text. It might seem wrong to some of you, but it's not a math equation. We're saying, hey, replace text with text plus text. So all of a sudden it's going to be Go Tigers, Go Tigers, twice as long. And then I want to print a blank line so that it looks, so a little bit of spacing. Yeah, so let's run it, make sure it works. This is the length, it's uppercase, lowercase, it replaced TIG with GOF. There's one capital G in Go Tigers. I know it looks like there's two in the Go Gophers, but we were checking on the original uncapitalized string. And then here's Go Tigers printed out in $50 signs. And I'm going to go ahead and say yes to run again. And notice everything's twice as big now. Instead of 10, we have 20. And we have Go Tigers, Go Tigers. And there's two capital G's in the original phrase. And now it says Go Tigers, Go Tigers. And I'm going to run it again. And see, now everything's double again. It's 40 characters long. And see, the dollar sign one is Go Tigers, Go Tigers, Go Tigers, Go Tigers. And then finally, I'm going to check that I can quit by doing a capital N and small o. And it says goodbye, have a good day. So there you go.